Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has stressed on the need for constituting an assembly committee to monitor scale of illegal immigration in the state, so that people can also have clear idea about this pressing issue. Chief Minister N. Biren was responding to calling attention motion by Phungyar MLA Laishio Kaishing, who had expressed concern over the threat posed by illegal immigration to Kamjong district due to the unrest in neighboring Myanmar. MLA Laishio Kaishing said about 6,199 refugees have been detected in Kamjong district itself, which is the highest among all districts in Manipur. If the immigration goes unchecked, it will have ramifications on indigenous communities' economy and security of the state. Government need to have proper immigration law and carry out border fencing and strict patrolling along the border. Responding to the calling attention motion, Chief Minister N. Biren said a cabinet subcommittee led by TA and Hills Minister Lidpao Haukip carried out inspection at various areas of the state in which 2,480 illegal immigrants were detected at 44 villages, and their biometric data were also captured. Satellite images also showed new villages reportedly set up illegal immigrants. They have been allowed to stay in Manipur on humanitarian ground owing to prevailing violent situation in Myanmar. However, government will initiate action to send home these refugees when things become conducive in Myanmar.
Illegal mitop changak pagi negative impact. See, number one, the national security the threat labor was criminal activities hengat labor. Aduga organized crime masi hengat pani. Adu terrorism si hengat li. Infiltration do mi mayam do ka pull up to terrorist mayam chang si illegal immigration kyam thin shok prayab se akhoi gi leijaba limited resources mayam si mayam mapan dai changak pa mi sing du ga akhoi share tawrak pada akhoi phangbam thok pa akhoi chakhum phangbang amdi leibadi si the free there who is monitoring this thamaga na bhajan thamsi thamoya namfu da border de push back to ta changak pa mayam se thing se haibataradi frame a comprehensive realistic policy for management of illegal border management to prevent illegal immigration. Aduga shelter homes singdo open exclusive designated shelter homes away from the local residential areas, wherein moibu hajira tanhandaba moi mafam du da chap chan thamgado loitering tawhandaba chathandaba asiguma manage tawhaningi.
Illegal immigrants singi saipu phangbase honorable member khakta oiba male ahan base saipu phangbaba chaina khangdaba sing hujiksu khoi government sida sauri sa illegal immigrants changa aga khoi da demographic imbalance ama por haibasi manipuri praja samada humbu humdra thajaraga samda nifu gi sang thajadri honorable member lebiri ba mayam su yaning driba male loina suna 100% adu nai sarsi matang se house committee ma house ki oba committee ma phajana sema kanda masi tasena changakpura changaktabra tasena hana kamai le mi hujikna kamai le se ai masi ongtang ai tawning na thari akhoi mayam unity leitraba koi oiroi sigi posi sumai oiroi house committee ma tawrakanda phajana nainaragadi manipuri praja su bhap tani adu lai minnari ba honorable members sing su bhap tarakanda koi unitedly thengnardi koi ngangmani